Withdrawing an air circuit breaker, ACB, from the bus bar requires careful execution to ensure safety and avoid damage to the equipment. Below is a step-by-step explanation. Step 1. Preparation. 1. Notify concerned personnel. Inform everyone involved or affected by the withdrawal. 2. Turn off the load. Ensure the load connected to the ACB is turned off. 3. Lockout/tagout. LOTO. Apply LOTO procedures to ensure the circuit breaker is not energized accidentally. 4. Inspect the breaker and panel. Check for any visible damage or abnormalities. Step 2. Verify isolation. 1. Open the breaker, move the breaker handle or switch to the off position. 2. Verify isolation. Use appropriate testing equipment, e.g. a multimeter, to confirm there is no voltage on the bus bar or breaker terminals. Step 3. Disengage the breaker from the bus bar. 1. Release locking mechanism. Locate the release mechanism or locking pins that secure the breaker to the bus bar. Operate the locking lever or key as specified in the manufacturer's manual. 2. Rack out the breaker. Use the breaker racking handle or crank to withdraw the ACB. Rotate the handle or crank counterclockwise, or as per the manual, to disengage the breaker from the bus bar. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to prevent damage. Step 4. Remove the breaker. 1. Pull the breaker out slowly. Once the ACB is disengaged from the bus bar, slide it out slowly along the guide rails. Ensure that the breaker moves smoothly, without resistance or sudden jerks. 2. Check the secondary disconnects. Ensure the control wiring or secondary connections have also been safely disconnected during the withdrawal process. 3. Position the breaker on the maintenance area. Place the ACB in a safe and stable position for maintenance or storage. Step 5. Final inspection. 1. Inspect the bus bar and breaker. Check for signs of wear, damage, or debris on the bus bar and breaker contacts. Clean the contacts if necessary. 2. Confirm the breaker is de-energized. Recheck with a voltage tester for complete de-energization. Safety tips.